Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making eggplant and cauliflower recipe. So if your eggplant is big and old, it's a little tough on the side. On the covers you have to peel, and then we have to slice into small pieces. Now if your eggplant has those tough seeds, has a lot of seeds, you have to clean them out because they look a little uncomfortable and taste uncomfortable. So you just rub the eggplant in the water like for 3 times as you pour out the water. Now we're also going to use 3 cloves of garlic, carrot, green bell pepper. So I'm using ghee. You can use any type of oil that you want. So on a pan, some ghee, and then onions. Then after when they are tender, we put the garlic paste. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. Subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you're part of the family. Thank you for joining. So the subscribers, you're welcome once again. We're glad to have you back. Now when the onions are tender, we add the cauliflower and the eggplant. About 6 to 10 tablespoons of water, which is about a half cup of water. Then some salt to taste. You put half a tablespoon, a bay leaf, and then now we cover for 4 to 5 minutes. This is what happens after it has cooked. It's now tender. Generally it's ready now, you can eat. So you put your green bell pepper, if you have hot pepper, hot chili, then also carrots. And then now here it is also a choice. You can decide to make sure that you put these carrots as you put in the cauliflower so that they become tender. But if you want a crunch, you can put them now. You can also add the other vegetables you have. Anything else that you have, you can add it now. Then now you add also the spices. If you have chili, you add. This is the time. Me here, I'm using garam masala. This is really delicious. Try it with garam masala, you'll like it. So you can add hot chili pepper if you want. And then here is stir. You are like almost stir frying like for 3 to 4 minutes. You can even just do 2 minutes. It's up to you. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. Trust me, this is very delicious. You tell me. You really like it. If you've never liked cauliflower, you're going to like this. It's perfectly cooked and delicious. If you cook for more than this time, it's going to become mushy, and that crunch, the little crunch that is left in, is going to disappear. So it's also up to you. Just play around with your recipe, with your spices. Remove what you don't like, add what you like. It's delicious, it's fast, it's rich. You just have to try it. You will like it, the children will like it. Remember, you don't have to be a chef to make the most delicious food. See you in the next video.